My name is Angelos Angelides. I am the head chef and only chef at Pasero in Tottenham. First dish is a soy braised duck leg with bread sauce and roasted black muscat grapes. The duck legs you need to salt in advance. While those are sitting, you can prep the onion base. The onion base comprises of chopped up red onions, shallots, and then a bit of star anise, cinnamon, bay leaf, and place the duck on top. And then you want to brown that in the oven pretty hard at about 220 for about 20 minutes. And then you're going to put the stock in the oven tray until it covers about half of the duck. Cover it and then braise that in the oven for about an hour at 160. The other element of the dish is the bread sauce. What I do is sweat down white onions in a bit of butter, no color, just until soft. And then you want to stud a piece of onion with about 4 or 5 cloves. You're going to place all of that in the pot, cover it with milk, bring to the boil, and let that infuse for at least half an hour. Once that's infused, you're going to put in whatever old bread you have. We've got some sourdough here that's lovely, so I usually take the leftover bread from the day before, chuck that in, and let that soak up. And I like a smoother bread sauce, so I blitz it up with a hand blender. For the plating process, I would take the plate and place a few tablespoons of bread sauce on the base. From that point, I would take the roasted onions and leeks and place them just to the left of the plate on top of the bread sauce. On top of the onions go the roasted duck leg, and then finish the whole dish with a bunch of roasted grapes just to the right of the duck. So here is the soy braised duck legs with bread sauce and roasted black muscat grapes.